Ladies and gentlemen, Class of 2017 inductee, Huan Nguyen. Huan Nguyen was born in Saigon, South Vietnam in May 1962. Huan spent his early childhood in Saigon and attended the top French-speaking school, La Sainte-Hubert. Shortly thereafter, his father, Colonel Su Nguyen, accepted a military attaché position at the South Vietnam Embassy in Bangkok, Thailand. The family remained in Bangkok for 2 years until the fall of South Vietnam in 1975. While the rest of the family was in Bangkok, Huan's sister attended Sneed State Junior College. An English professor at Sneed State, Rosalie Hunt, mother of 2016 inductee Jody Hunt, advised Huan's sister to meet with Alabama Governor George Wallace to help Huan's family immigrate to the United States. Huan's family moved to Boaz with the aid of Bob and Rosalie Hunt and area churches. Huan attended Boaz Junior High and entered Boaz High School in the fall of 1976. While a student at BHS, Huan was inducted into the Beta Club and the Math Club and worked as an assistant janitor, cleaning classrooms, restrooms, and the campus after school each day. He also won the Marshall County Art Contest, and one of his artworks was exhibited at the Alabama State Capitol. In 1980, Huan helped Boaz High win its first ever Marshall County Tennis Championship. He won his singles and his doubles matches with partner Johnny Maroney. He also was awarded the Eagle Scout Award, the Boy Scouts of America's highest rank. During Juan's senior year at Boaz High, his family relocated to San Jose, California for better job opportunities. Reverend and Mrs. Hunt offered Juan the chance to stay with them in Boaz so that he could finish his high school days with his friends. He graduated from BHS in 1980. After graduation, Juan attended Sneed State. He then transferred to Auburn University and majored in mechanical engineering. While at Auburn, Juan was elected as student chapter president of the American Society of Engineers. He was also a member of Pi Tau Sigma Mechanical Engineering Honor Society. Juan participated in the co-op engineering program at Auburn, where he worked every other quarter at Westinghouse Electric Transformer and Nuclear divisions in Virginia, Tennessee, and Florida. After graduating from Auburn, Juan took a job with General Dynamics in Fort Worth, Texas. At General Dynamics, he held secret security clearance and worked on his best-selling jet fighter of all time, the F-16 Fighting Falcon. He assisted with the design of the F-16 unique canopy through his 3D thermal analysis of aerodynamic heating and presented his findings to the U.S. Air Force. Juan was then recruited by and decided to join Delphi Electronics, the world's largest automotive electronics company. He was operations manager, consisting of bringing new manufacturing facilities from Reynosa, Mexico into McAllen, Texas. Juan managed high-volume production of automotive electronics like audio systems, electronic dashboards, the OnStar system, and the like for GM brands like Cadillac, Buick, Oldsmobile, and Pontiac. While working full-time, Juan was selected for the General Motors Management Program with its expense-paid MBA program. He attended the MBA program at the University of Texas and graduated within 2 years at the top of his class with a 4.0 GPA. He was inducted into Beta Gamma Sigma, the Business Honor Society. During his free time, Juan worked with local churches to deliver food and clothes to needy families across the border. After receiving his MBA and working in Mexico for 7 years, Juan joined Nortel Networks, one of the world's largest telecommunications companies in San Jose, California, as their global supply chain manager. This move allowed him to be closer to his family. Juan managed Nortel's global supply base of over 30 suppliers and over $300 million in expenditures. Later, he was assigned to manage Nortel's optical business with over $1 billion in expenditures. He received Nortel's CEO Award for Distinguished Service. Juan also held several senior management positions in global supply chain at Juniper Networks, Lam Research, and ESCO, where he led efforts in identifying and developing global supply base of strategic materials in the Asian market. In 2005, Juan was recruited to and decided to join Google as their global supply chain manager. During his tenure at Google, his global supply base has grown from 5 to over 30 suppliers, expenditures from $30 million to over $600 million, and number of Google data centers from 1 to 15 on 3 continents. Each data center is the size of 6 football fields. Huan received the Google Founders Award for excellent service for the development of complex optical cables connecting over 2.5 million servers and 15 data centers. He also has received patents for the design and manufacturing process of heat exchangers to cool Google servers. Huan is involved in many charities. He provides free tax filing services to low-income families in Hispanic and Vietnamese communities. He attends many nonprofit charity events and has also established a scholarship at Auburn for needy engineering students. Ladies and gentlemen, Boaz High School Wall of Fame Class of 2017 inductee, Huan Nguyen.